Some of the most important work in our company happens without applause, without headlines, and without spotlight. But what feels invisible to the world is essential to everything we do. This week, we change that.
As we celebrate this week, I want to thank you for the skill, dedication, and pride you bring to work every day. Your efforts are the driving force behind our operations.
And the reason we're able to deliver custom solutions for our customers safely, efficiently, and with excellence.
What you build here doesn't just move through our facilities, it moves our entire company forward. This week is about recognizing you. Thank you to our warehouse and manufacturing teams, the people who keep our promises moving every single day. You load it, you move it, you deliver it. You make sure our customers get what they need when they need it. Your work takes grit, focus, and discipline. And it doesn't go unnoticed. You are the foundation of our operations. You are the backbone of our delivery network. Without you, nothing moves forward. With you, everything becomes possible.
This week is about recognizing you and the important role you play in keeping Veritiv moving forward. I hope you take a moment to reflect on what you accomplish every day and enjoy the appreciation being shared across all of our locations for all of you.
On behalf of our senior leadership team,
Thank you for everything you do.
thank you for everything you do,
We are proud of the work you deliver.
and grateful for the impact you make every day.
Your work matters. Your impact matters. Thank you for the pride you bring to your work. Thank you for being the backbone of Veritiv.